Hey guys, welcome back to EstherDees kitchen. Let's get cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some chocolate chip banana bread, and all you'll need is 3 ripe bananas, some flour, melted butter, sugar, egg, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt and baking soda, and some chocolate chips. That's optional. The exact measurements of these ingredients is going to be in the description box below. First off, make sure you mash all your bananas. And like I said, this is like really ripe bananas. If you have some bananas in your home that is almost like going bad, you don't have to throw it out. All you do is make yourself some banana bread. And once it's completely mashed, add your melted butter. I have my melted butter here. Pour it in there. And then I'm gonna mix that. Okay, at this point, I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to add my egg. And then I'm going to add my vanilla extract. Okay. And then my salt and baking soda is in here. So while you're mixing this, make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And I have like 2 little loaf pans here sprayed with some Baker's Joy baking spray. So once all your ingredients is all mixed up together, I'm gonna add my flour. And like I said, if you want to use the chocolate chips, it's definitely optional. Or if you want to just make it with nuts, you can add some of your favorite nuts, be it pecans, be it walnuts. You can add any kind of fun stuff that you want. Hey, you can even add some blueberries if you want. I'm going to fold in my chocolate chip. Okay. Fold that in there. So at this point, I have, like I said, my little loaf pans here sprayed down with some Baker's Joy baking spray. I'm going to divide this into 2 because they're really small, like I said. So I'll pour half of my batch in there because it's going to rise, so I need to give it space. Hey, if you make 2 little ones like this, you can give one out for just, you know, for fun. Just tell a friend, hey, I was thinking about you and I made you some chocolate chip banana bread. Okay. Once your oven is ready, put this in your oven, like I said, at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, or until when you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean, then you're good to go. So guys, this baked at 45 minutes. So if you want to use a bigger loaf pan, you can, but just leave it there for about an hour or until you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. And so I cut this already. And there we go. I have my chocolate chips in there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Also, keep up with me on social media. See you next time on EstherDees Kitchen. Bye.